We selected the universal selector, that's why the whole document got the black color. Hello friends, welcome to OctaCoder. In this video lecture we are going to learn about CSS selector with the practical example. So let's start. In the previous lecture I introduced you CSS selectors like a universal selector, tag based, element based selector, ID, class, pseudo element, grouping selectors. These are the selectors we want to style the web page, so you can select this selector. So in the previous lecture we give the brief introduction. If you want to know more in detail or more information, then you can check on Google, or there are many lot of websites you can read theoretically. You can search it and you will get the more information in the brief. In the previous lecture I talk about a little bit in the simple way, so hope that might be understand you. But OctaCoder main focus is on a practical, not on the theoretical. So we will learn how to use these selectors in this video with the practical example. So let's create a new file. In this video lecture I'll talk about how to give universal selectors, how to use this tag based, ID based, class, how to use grouping selector. All we will learn with the practical example now. So I'll just create some content. I'll just fast forward it. So here are some content in our web page. Let's check how it is looking. Open in the browser, save the file first. So it is a very simple page. So how to use in universal selector? Let's take an example. I will show you with internal CSS here. So the universal selector is like a whole document, the whole web page. So in this file we just give the h3 tag, first heading and paragraph tag. Similar, we created 4 paragraphs like that. For heading we gave the h3 and paragraph. Here there is no style used in these paragraphs, in this content. So if you want to color all these documents, so you can choose a universal selector. Universal selector operator is a star. If you give this operator inside the style tag, that is called this as a universal selector. Then open curly braces. So if you want to give the h3 tag color, h3 tag or this paragraph, all whatever inside the body tag, if you want to color it, then choose universal selector with the star operator. Then give a color of our content color, say red. Save this file, refresh the browser. See, all content got the red color. We choose the universal, that's why all paragraph and heading tags, all content got in the red, because we choose the selector universal. So now let's give every content to background color. Let's say black. And now see, we selected the universal selector, that's why the whole document got the black color. If you want to give everyone same color and same background, so you can choose the universal. So that's how we use universal selector. And we have tag based, ID based, class based, pseudo class, grouping elements, how to use ID selector and class selectors. In the next lecture we will learn about it. So stay tuned with the OctaCoder.